Darjeeling generally attracts a lot of tourists every year. Families, couples, and friend gangs throng to this place every year for a memorable vacation, but a lot of people visit the main sightseeing touristy places and miss out on the most beautiful toy train and only end up clicking pictures with it. But not anymore, guys. So hey guys, this is Srivatsa Sheshadri, and in this video I will give you a complete information about the most beautiful and historic Darjeeling Toy Train. Before beginning the video, let me tell you that this video is only about Darjeeling Himalayan Railway joyride that runs from Darjeeling to Ghum and back. There are several other services too, like the one from NJP to Darjeeling or Kurseong to Darjeeling, but those are very long rides and I would recommend only if you have a lot of patience. Darjeeling Toy Train is a story in itself. It is one of the most beautiful and historic masterpieces from the erstwhile British era. The famous toy train of Darjeeling Himalayan Railway had made its first trip in the year 1880 and has been serving its travelers ever since. There are two kinds of engines running at the same time. The century-old steam engines that run on coal and are really slow, and the diesel engines that are the latest additions which can pull much faster. But interestingly, the steam engine costs more than the diesel one now. This small beauty runs from Darjeeling station to Ghum station, which is about 9 kilometers away from the Darjeeling town. This train gives a brief halt at Batasia Loop en route. Also, did you know that the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway was given the UNESCO World Heritage Site title in the year 1999?
अभी हम लोग पहुंचे बटासिया लूप अगेन वो की ब्यूटी में बड़ा मजा आ रहा है इधर बैठ बड़ा अच्छा स्नैप्स और वीडियो था। अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं देखने देखो आ गया।
Now, how do you book your tickets for this joyride? Well, I was lucky enough to get it directly from the station's counter, that too for the last train of the day, but I would suggest you to book it online to be on a safer side. First, log into the Indian Railways website. You need to type DJ as source and DJRZ as the destination, meaning Darjeeling to Darjeeling. Then select your date of travel and the engine type and you're good to go. The steam engine costs Rs 1500 and the diesel engine costs Rs 1000 per person at the time of making this video. Upon reaching the Ghum station, the train gives a break of about 30 minutes. You can explore the Ghum Railway Museum in the meantime. The museum has an amazing collection of the train's historic pictures, various accessories that were used and later discarded for an upgrade, and so much more. You're definitely going to enjoy this. Well guys, that is it for this video. All the important and necessary links mentioned in the video are in the description bar below. Do check it out. If you've liked this video and the information provided, then please do hit that like button and share it with your friends, as this is a wonderful marvel. Also, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the timely updates, as it takes a lot of effort to put up what's online now. I hope you've liked this video and will see you in my next one. Bye bye.